So now to begin the homework that will go on the illustration board, the first thing that we want to do is find the center of the illustration board. So since our board is 20 inches long, I'm going to find where 10 inches is across on our board. And now I'm going to connect those two dots, which we call tick marks. Connect those. And I'll draw a very light line down the middle of the illustration board. So now the board is also 15 inches high, and we want to find the center of the height. So that will be 7.5 inches. And so I'll measure down 7.5 inches over here as well, and 7.5 inches down over here on this side also. So now I will connect those. Very lightly, because we're going to erase some of these lines later. So now we have the center of the illustration board right here, and our illustration is going to be 8.5 by 8.5. So it means that half of it will be 4.25. So I'm going to put my ruler here at 4.25. That will be 1/2. And I'll put my ruler here for 8.5. Okay, then I'm going to do the same thing, going up and down. Half of the height will be 4.25. And the whole thing will be 8.5. Okay, so that will show us the boundaries of our square, which will be in the middle. And now we can use the triangle to extend those lines out from the middle. And we'll measure up with a triangle to get one side. Flip the triangle over, and we will get to the other side, making sure we have a nice square here. Okay, so I'll check our measurements. 8.5 by 8.5, so that's very good. So we can now erase some of those extension lines if you like. I'm going to keep them very lightly in place in case anyone wants to look at them